Yeah, we are live.
Hey everyone, happy weekend.
Oh, Kayla is gone. What happened? Kayla.
We'll have Kayla back shortly, everyone.
Yeah.
We just had a bit of a glitch.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's fine.
am I back?
Yes,
You are back.
Oh my goodness, technology is not loving it today. So I thought we'd come on and share something exciting that we've got today that's just gone live. You may have seen sneak peeks of it. You may have seen our cover photo change on Facebook, but we thought we'd actually put some faces and come and talk to you and show you what we're really excited about. So I'm going to get straight into it. Because technology is not loving me. So I want to show you before my camera decides to do other things. So I'm going to flip to my desk. If Mayashree wants to make it bigger.
Yes, all
we have
done.
a brand new product in our store. So you may know the Stamping Lounge, or you may have only just heard of us. So we are an online classroom. We have a monthly subscription, as well as just individual classes and virtual retreats. But for the first time, we've actually got a physical product that you can have shipped, and it's not just within Australia. We do have international shipping options available. You might be wondering what it is. So this is an awesome box that's been in the works for quite a while, and it is a box that contains 52 printed sketches. You might see a sneak peek here to the side, and I'm going to show you those in just a second. But when you open this beautiful box, you'll see a little message from us on the inside. And it has all these beautiful cards. There's 52 designs in here, and they all slip into the box. You can have this sitting on your craft desk, ready to craft with. If you need a bit of inspiration, you want to make a quick card, or even try a different design. Because if you're like me, sometimes you might be in a creative little glitch or feel a bit stuck. It's fun to sometimes follow a sketch. It's like a guideline to follow, and you can branch out from there. The thing I love about these sketches too is that you get the sketch on the front and you can flip it over, and it will have both metric and imperial measurements that you can cut those pieces. So you'll see some letters here that correspond with the letters on the sketch. You can cut those out and easily follow that sketch design. There's also a little crafting tip down the bottom. Really, really super cool. And I think, I'm not sure about you, but this is the first thing I've seen, particularly with this type of style on the market. I'm going to show you a couple of samples that I put together using a couple of these designs. So this one here was one I made really quickly. I think this came together in about, 20 minutes. I did have some of the bits pre-cut, but I followed this sketch here and put together this fun card. It was super quick and simple. I had so much fun. And then I also did this one. And I know Mayashree's got a sample to share as well that she's made, but you can see here I've used those design elements and put together a really quick and fun card where I didn't have to overthink too much because the design was done for me. It was a lot of fun. I also did these. I'm not going to show you the sketches for these, but these ones here also designed using some of those sketches in that box. So what I will share though quickly, actually I don't know if we've got this listed on the website, but the actual box size is about 4¼ inches by 5½, or in metric it's about 10½, but it's almost the size of a card front. So really, really super cool. I do want to quickly share, let's have a look. So you'll see some of the marketing images here, which shows a couple of the sketches there and a couple of those designs. You can also see the front and back of the card here, and that card that I just shared with you. And then a close-up of the box. And lastly, a few of those sketches fanned out. So what we'll do is, because we're very eager, we've already been getting the orders pour in. We've sold some even overseas. So that's really, really exciting. We're very keen to get these out because we love the product and we hope you will too. But what I'm going to do is flip. Mayashree, do you want to show your desk and you can share the sample that you have made with one of the sketches? I'll just
make all of them. Okay, yeah. Because I know desk view, I can show this one of the samples today. I think in my blog, this is the card which I posted today. This is using the sketches. I'm not going to say the number of sketch which I used, but this is using one of the sketches from the book. Um, you can see whether you can use it as a landscape or portrait. Either way, you can just use the sketches. It's very simple. You can just pre-cut and start doing your card and just finish it as soon as possible. It's like a very handy one. So you guys will like it, I hope. Because you know what? It looked like you had a measurements on them. Yes, that's right, Katrina. It comes with the measurements on the back side, comes with both metric and imperial. So we designed A4 cardstock. We just designed for the metric one, and imperial. You guys know it's like a letter size cardstock. So it has both, and with little tips too. I can just ask Kayla to, zoom in one of the sketches so you can clearly see.
Just
Oh,
to see.
So I
she,
hope you guys will
she's
like
putting
it
me on
because
the spot. She's putting me on the spot. Hold
yeah,
on.
you know what, guys, we really put too much hard work in this sketch. So I hope you guys will really really love those ones.
It's
So
there
I
to make it easy for you. Yeah.
yeah, really. So let me just where is Kayla?
Okay.
Okay. Yep. Yes,
So
Kayla.
let's I'll go back to my desk camera. So for example, we've got our measurements here. So you'll see little tips like save the negatives, the leftover outline pieces can be just as pretty, use them as frames or accents. So lots of little tips that just can be little sparks when you're in that creative zone that might even start a whole new design. So really a lot of fun. I've had a blast with using these. We're not going to show you all of them because we want the 52 to be a surprise. Now, the idea of 52 also is you could sit down at your desk and have every Sunday make a sketch. And the cool thing is you can use them again and again. So once you've used a sketch, that doesn't mean you're done. Like just pull them out and try again with a different stamp set. I know this one here, with this card, I could make that again and again with different elements, different florals, lots of different things. So they're a lot of fun. So I'm going to share to answer some questions as well, because I know we've had a few. I'm going to share our website as well, because you might not be familiar with our website. So I'll just ask the girls, is that working?
Yeah, I think yes, Kayla. Yep.
That's it.
So when you go to our website, which is thestampinglounge.com, and it's stamping with a G, I've had that happen before. So when you scroll down, you'll see each of us, but there's a few ways to get to this product. You'll see it pretty much close to the top. There's this big banner here with a picture of those boxes. You can click learn more. That will take you to the product. Otherwise, you can go down here. This has got all of our sections like our memberships, our classes, our retreats, and our replays. But down here on the right is the sketch box and enamel pins. So we do have a couple of pins as well, but the sketch box, that's where that is. Otherwise, you can also find it when you scroll down a little bit further. You'll find it in the latest in our store. So I'm going to go into the box here. So I'm just going to click learn more. And when you go in, that will show you the product. Now, there are a few options for purchasing this. You can use this drop down. When you choose Sketchbox, that will get you the Sketchbox as a whole shipped to you, so a physical product. Now, I do have to say these prices are Australian dollars, so just be aware of that. It will convert to whatever currency you are in. Then if you want to find out what that is in your currency, maybe use an online currency calculator or an app, because that will change depending on the currency at the time. You can also choose Sketchbox and PDF, which will still get you a Sketchbox shipped to you in the mail, but you'll also get the PDF download. The other option is just the PDF download. So that's $5 Australian cheaper than the actual box, but that will just come with the PDF, so you won't get shipped a physical product. Now, the other question we had yesterday was, do I need a link account to purchase? No, you don't. So if you press add to cart, and then down here there's a picture of a little shopping cart, you can go to proceed to checkout. Now, when that opens, you can add in, don't mind my funky address there. We were just working out some postcodes this morning. So for Australian, it's showing up my Australian options for shipping. But when you go in to edit your address, when you add in your country here, so these are the countries that we are shipping to. when you add in your country and your address and postcode, the shipping options for your particular location will come up. So if you are in Australia, we'll provide 2 options. If you are purchasing a Sketchbox, make sure you have the Sketchbox ticked. It will be automatically ticked, but make sure you've got that one ticked. And then it will come up with your options for payment. The other question we did have was for people overseas. Previously, we haven't shipped our enamel pins to people overseas. If you are purchasing a box, definitely you can add an enamel pin, and that will ship with no extra charge with your box as well. So you can add those pins in. When you scroll down on this product, you will see the additional photos, a little bit more information about the box, and why you'll love it, the options, the shipping, etc. These are the 2 enamel pins that I was talking about. So I think that was about it. Do you girls have anything else to add? Have I forgotten anything? I've been talking all morning, so I'm not sure. If you have any questions, yeah.
And also, you know what, Kayla, if they just buy it, they have a voucher, they can use it in our website.
That's right.
Yeah.
I'll have to check on that. Do you mean if they have a discount code?
Yeah, the thank you note, isn't it, Kayla? They can
just sorry. Yes, Maestro is correct. Do you have one of those in front of you that you can't share the actual code, but you can share the front of it?
Yeah, I can show that one. Just
let me stop sharing my screen and we'll jump over to Maestro.
Yeah.
So when you get a box in your mail,
your box, only hard copy box. You know what? This is
No, sorry.
we won't send this if you guys are purchasing the PDF. That's the cool thing about the box. If you just get that, it just comes with the I can show you the sketch. Okay, so just when you scan, you will get the voucher. It's really useful for 50% off in our monthly, one of the monthly project price. So it's a cool thing. It's really worth it, guys. You can have a try with that.
So yeah, you'll get a little gift from us when you purchase a physical Sketchbox. So that will be in your box.
That's right.
Very, very cool. If you have any questions, definitely sing out. We'll definitely share little snippets along the way, but feel free to post them either on this video, send us an email. We're happy to answer anything. So Katrina, what was that? It looked like you had the measurements. Yes, I think we answered that. So awesome. We'd love to see you purchase them and share away. We'd love you to share with your friends. This is a product that we've been designing for a while, and we're definitely very, very excited about it. So I think that's about it. We thought we'd just come on and share our excitement. We shipped off a few emails about it today. We shared with our members because it was the Stamping Lounge monthly class today. So we thought we'd come on and share with our public group because we love all of you, and we wanted to share this excitement with you. So this is the beautiful box in the Stamping Lounge colours, edition 1, 52 beautiful sketches, and we can't wait. We hope you love it as much as we do. So I think that was about it, and we'll say goodbye. We'll pop off, and do you want to put it back to all 3 of us? Pop off, and thank you so much, guys, and we hope you get creating with these beautiful sketches. So we'll pop the link to the comment, we'll pop the link in the video to purchase. I think Michelle might have already done that, and we'll pop up another couple of posts anyway as well. So thanks, guys, and we'll talk to you all soon. Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.